Hey guys, welcome to Midwest Chop Shop. I know it's been a really hot minute since I posted anything. Apparently my buddy Taylor thinks so too. So he's going to actually work on the bike for me this weekend, do a couple things for me since I haven't got a chance to get around to it. He's going to take care of two issues for me. The first one is the monoshock kit puts the bike up a little bit too high. Kind of got to tiptoe the bike. I know I'm short, but since I'm building the bike for myself, I figured let's go ahead and fix that for me. So let's get to that first. Alright, he knocked that out pretty easy. So next thing is some of you guys commented that the bike isn't that well supported. You don't think it's that well engineered. I kind of agree. So we're going to actually make some gussets to try to take care of that, kind of strengthen it up. Let me know what you guys think of what we did, if you think it'll work, if you guys think that we need to do anything else. But I figure this is a step in the right direction. I don't want this to be just a showpiece that sits around. I actually want to ride it. So trying to make that happen. So let's see how he does this, and we'll go from there. You broke it.
Yes, we did. We definitely broke the bench twice.
That's what happens when you use the big red hammer.
Yes.
All right, well, I'm gonna call that a wrap for this episode. Huge shout out to Taylor for knocking that stuff out for me. If it wasn't for him, it'd probably be a few more months before getting episodes out. So big shout out to him. You guys will see him in a lot more episodes, I'm sure. He's really helping me out with the fabrication and stuff. We got a couple other things coming down the pipeline that I'm excited to start. So keep posted. We're gonna try to pound this bike out so we can move on to bigger and better things. All right, thanks guys. See ya.